Well, good day to you viewers and welcome back to Coffee Chill TV. It's Sunday, it's around about 11 a.m, it's 11s and I believe we are in the low 30s, maybe 32 degrees centigrade today, and we're going to go for a swim. Yes, this is one of these little pools that you can visit in Udon Thani. Lots of the hotels do not have pools. It's quite interesting. Most do not have pools, but there are places where you can fee for service, go for a little dip. This is one of those places. Let's check it out. In terms of a location marker, we are on the opposite side of the road to Nong Bua, and we're pretty close to Udi town as well. So we're just outside the centre of the central business district, CBD, Udon Thani. And it's an interesting position. It's got a little bit of privacy. It's back from the main drag, so it's quiet. And you got some interesting regalia. Got some windmills, got some little statues, some nice pot plants around the place. And yeah, it's 55 baht for a dip. So let's go for a dip. And one of life's great pleasures is having the pool to oneself. So I'm going to get changed and I'm going to go for a swim. I won't video that. I'm not that self-indulgent, and you know, I'm not Hollywood leading actor material either. So I'll save you that great pleasure. Yes, I'm not being serious. And yeah, I'll check out the pool and then I'll give you some feedback afterwards. Here we go, 55 baht for a little swim on the outskirts of town. And yes, you've got change rooms there and a little shower as well. So I will take advantage of that right now. Get into my boardies, my board shorts, go for a little dip. And yeah, it's nice and hot and sunny. It's just a perfect day to go for a swim. And in a pool that you don't have to do the maintenance on. I've always been a fan of that. I love swimming, but you know, looking after a pool can be a little bit of work. So yeah, this is the best of both worlds. We love the modesty curtain. Obviously you can hang up your clothes there, you can shower here, and there are toilets nearby as well. There you go. And of course plenty of seating to sit around and have a little cool drink after you've had a dip as well. And so what was the verdict? Well, my judgment is positive plus. This pool, it's just the right depth. If a pool is too deep, the water can be too cool. If a pool is too shallow, conversely, the water can be too hot. The temperature is optimal here. It's just perfect. It really is. One of these little places you stumble across when you go out exploring on the weekend. So I hope you enjoyed it, folks. I hope you enjoyed the short video log, the vlog. I'll try to put some contact details for this place in the comments section, and I hope to see you again soon on Coffee Chill TV. Cheers.